You know, when it comes to washing and drying clothes, sometimes it's all about those little oops in life. You know, you leave the clothes in the dryer for too long and they're all wrinkled. I'm going to show you what to do, and it's so easy. If you've got ice, you've got a solution. We're going to take a couple of ice cubes, maybe 4 ice cubes, toss them in with the clothes, turn it on, let it flip for 10 minutes, and you're done. Pull them right out and fold them up and put them away. Or if you want to just take a damp washcloth, same thing. Toss it in the dryer, turn it on for 10 minutes, come back, get the clothes, and fold them. And now, what about the washing machine? How many of you have put the lid up on the washing machine on wash day and realized that last week's clothes have turned moldy and mildewy in there and stink? Great way to get rid of that smell in those clothes. Leave them in there. Take a cup of water. Take about 10 drops of tea tree oil. You know how I love that. It's an antimicrobial, antibacterial. Put that in the washing machine, turn it on to the rinse cycle, let it rinse, pull those clothes out, put them in the dryer, and you're done. So life's little oops aren't so bad after all. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.